when you was a kid, were you in a rush to be an adult? Some of you guys were, because you just couldn't wait to be a little thotty. That's another conversation. Now in today's video, we're gonna speak about something that I really don't know too much about, because honestly, I never experienced it. If you just started out your dreadlock journey, that means you're about 0 to 6 months into the dreadlock gang. I gotta keep it real with you guys. You ugly.
Oh my God.
Now I know that is not how you wanted me to start out the video, but today I gotta be honest with you. There is this thing called the ugly stage. And if you are just starting out your dreadlock journey, we're gonna talk about that today, because more than likely you're gonna experience the ugly stage. And if you're a person that's in the stage of the ugliness, more than likely you are ugly.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Loader.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Loader.
I'm ugly and I'm proud. I am ugly and I'm proud. I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Is that what he calls it?
Ooh, I mean, just so ugly, man. We just gotta roll the intro right now. Roll it right now, man. I can't look at you. I just can't. I can't. Yes, sir. Welcome back. If you already don't know, my name is Vinny Matthews. Now, where are all my lockers at, man? Locka gang. Go ahead and leave the lock emoji in the comment box down below. Hit the like button for your boy. And if you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I got more content coming for you. Let's get right into the video. So I was downstairs, creating content for you guys, and I got to thinking, man, like, what can I really talk to you guys about today? Do you guys want me to make more tutorials? Do you guys want me to do some reviews? Or do you guys want me to speak on personal experience? And honestly, man, you guys like it when I talk about myself. I will definitely do a dreadlock review on myself. I know that's one thing that I didn't want to do, but you guys want it, so I'm gonna definitely give it to you. Pause. But in today's video, I'm gonna keep it honest with you. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. I'm gonna keep it a stack. Your boy Vinny Matthews, I didn't start from the bottom. Know what I'm saying? What do I mean by that? Yo, when I started out my dreadlock journey, I already had a full head of hair. Like, my hair was already long. So with that being said, me per se, I didn't experience the ugly stage that a lot of you guys are experiencing right now. Your boy always just being good looking, man. Your boy always felt confident about his locks because my locks were already long. But I want to explore the topic of the ugly stage, because honestly, I just don't get it. And I don't understand why you guys call it the ugly stage. I mean, like why would you degrade yourself like that? These are your locks, man. Why are you saying you ugly, man? But if you ugly, if you want to be called ugly, hey, I don't mind it, man. If you ugly, man, I'm gonna look at you like Locka Ugly. You're not the Locka Gang, you Locka Ugly. If you want me to make headbands for the Locka Uglies, let me know in the comment box down below. Matter of fact, what I want you guys, I want to do a Locka Gang review of just the ugly stage. Whoever has the best ugly stage locks, man, I will give you personally a free Locka Gang headband if you haven't already purchased you a Locka Gang headband. But I really want to know, like, how is it with the ugly stage? Like, is it ugly because you think, like it doesn't look right? Or is it ugly because it's not looking the way that you want it to look? Is it ugly because it's not as long? Like, what is it about the ugly stage that is ugly? Because if you ask me, it's the locking stage, man. Your locks are doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Like, why are we really sitting here and telling ourselves like, oh, this is ugly? Like, no, this is beautiful. And maybe because I'm ignorant, because I didn't experience it. Now, don't get me wrong. I did, encounter a lot of frizziness, okay? Especially with my hair type. My hair gets frizzy very easy. If I go out in the sun too long, my hair starts frizzing up. If I get my hair wet, my hair starts frizzing up. If I go to sleep raw, you know I'm talking about. You raw dogging the pillowcases, raw dogging my couch, my hair starts to frizz, okay? But I understand that that is just dreadlocks, and I want you guys to understand that, yo, there is no such thing as ugly stage, and I don't understand why you guys keep calling it, but I know you guys saying like, oh, but Vinny, you don't understand, my locks did this, my locks did that. Shut the hell up. In the end of the day, your locks is always gonna do what you gotta do, man. And yeah, though I didn't really go through it, but in the end of the day, I know I was well aware, like, yo, my locks is gonna go through some things that I'm not gonna like. You know, you have to see your locks as like a plant. Do you think when a seed is planted in the ground, it's worried about how it's gonna look today, tomorrow, next week? No, that plant is saying to myself, yo, man, in the next couple of years, man, I'ma be the shit. I'ma be big, I'm gonna be tall, I'm gonna be nutritional, especially like if it's like a tree. Yo, trees take about a good 20 to 25 years just to grow. And you think your locks shouldn't do the same? You think a tree is sitting there and thinking to itself, man, I'm ugly. I can't wait till I get big. No, man, the tree is gonna be a tree, and the tree is gonna do what it gotta do. So that's I wanted to bring that, you know, to a full circle to you guys. I mean, think of Baby Groot. You think Baby Groot was worried about him being, you know, the big group, the teenage group? Like, no, it just grew up. When you was a kid, were you in a rush to be an adult? Some of you guys were, because, you know, you just couldn't wait to be a little thotty. That's another conversation. But as a kid, I didn't care, man. I was enjoying myself being a kid. I had no worries in the world. So in your lock journey, you should have no worries. Yo, it's great that you are concerned, that you're aware about your dreadlocks. But when I tell you, there's nothing uglier than stress. You are worried about nothing when it comes to your dreadlocks, B. You just gotta let your dreadlocks be. When it gets to the point where you're like me, I'd say to myself, you know what? My dreadlocks are just too long. That's the only dreadlock problem that you want to have. Is when your locks are just too long and you don't know what to do with your locks. That's it. Now, there's going to come a scenario. There may be a scenario like if you just really don't take care of your locks, you know, your locks going to start thinning out. It's going to start getting all dry. That's another, you know, story or a scenario you guys want to be concerned about. But as of right now, when you're beginning your dreadlocks, yo, it's no reason why you should be worried about what your locks look like today. Keep your head forward, moving forward. Yo, just in a couple of more months, if you just stay 10 toes down, okay? You stay locked in the gang, Locka Gang. That's why I call it Locka Gang. We are a gang of community of lockers staying in. That's it. The Locka Gang. You gotta stay in the gang. If you just stay in, keep yourself humble, keep your head low. Now, forget that, man. Yo, put your head up high, man. I swear it to you, man. Your locks is gonna look exactly how you want it to look and exactly how it should be, but you gotta give it a chance. You gotta give it an opportunity. You gotta keep thinking forward. You gotta keep, you gotta stay 10 toes down. You gotta stay confident, because I'm telling you, man, like, yo, look at these locks, man. A lot of you guys be like, oh man, Vinny, I want my locks to look like yours, man. Yo, it took time. It took time, man, and that's what I'm trying to convey to you guys today, okay? There's no such thing as the ugly stage. You know, if you speak it to existence, of course it's going to be ugly. But you got to start saying to myself, yo, man, my locks is long. My locks is healthy. My locks is receiving all the nutrition that it can, man. That's exactly what you want to be speaking, man. Speak light and goodness into your lock journey, and I swear to you, man, everything in your life will be so much easier. With all that being said, guys, let me know in the comment box down below. I know this is kind of a different video. I kind of went on a rant, but I just really wanted to put it out there. I really had it in my spirit. You guys can see me as a motivator when it comes to your dreadlock journey. I'm always on your team. So with all that being said, guys, let me know how you guys feel. Hit the like button, drop the lock emoji. And until the next video, guys, my name is Vinny Matthews, and I'm out.